As probably you saw in my previous video how to make a tree under a minute, I was talking how to create in Maya. However, on a project which we're trying to achieve, I was modeling some trees manually, not only with a Visor tool in Maya. Just for a breakdown, let's check it out how it was made. As you can see, I just made a branch. Probably I have to divide it a few times, and I was definitely very lazy. I was subdividing in Maya and I was sculpting in the Maya. This is the reason why it's so creepy topology. And for a top, as you can see, it's a simple gap. Yes. So I've made simple few branches. Very simple geometry, as you can see. You can make anything that you want. I mean, from a branch perspective, you can create a clusters. If you're creating a bigger tree, you can create a clusters in such a manner. And basically, this is it. It's a tree. It's a very simple thing, you know. So something like that. And in order to illustrate, because it's a swamp tree, yes, so I will try to select it, and let's try to fill it in here. As you can see, it's a very, very simple tree, and for a finer or smallest branch areas, I've created some planes, and that planes was with a texture, of a small branch texture, and I've just used it for that purpose. Okay, so let's try to align it, something like that. I hope so. No. Okay, so basically something like that. Okay, and as that tree is in the swamp, I've created simple shapes, as you can see. Planes. I will try to show you. Don't know why I cannot select it properly, why I didn't merge it properly. Okay, so as you can see, it's a simple shape, and just duplicated the bottom part a few times, and this is it. So simple like that, and that part was mounted on the tree. As you can see, it's a not something unreal. It's a very simple swamp tree, dead tree. It was working for me because it's not a main tree. It's not a tree character. You don't need anything. I mean, super high resolution or super high details. Everything was simple. Few branches. On one I was using alpha channels and the texture. Another one was a geo. So simple as that. It was working for me. Okay, thank you. Cheers. Bye.